Hey guys, so I'm finally back, and this time I know I always seem to do this when I come post videos frequently and then I disappear. I know lately I don't know what's been going on. It's just been my work's been getting to me. I have to wake up early. Then I know I get off early enough, but I'm always so tired because I have to wake up early. And so I just don't have the energy to record and edit and all that stuff. So I'm so sorry, but I will try my hardest to keep up with it as much as I can. I'm sorry. And then me like being still a small, like almost started YouTuber kind of, it's hard for me to, I don't have a room designated to recording, so I just have to put up everything. Once I'm done recording, I have to take it off and then bring it back out whenever I record another video. So it's so much time consuming to, other than like just go into a room and have everything set up already. I don't have that, unfortunately. I wish I did, hopefully soon, but for now this is just like I gotta do what I can. So yeah, but today I'm back with another monthly subscription unboxing, and this one is my Boxycharm for September. So and I am also a little sick. I've been sick over the weekend, and today my throat is still feeling a little weird. So if you hear my voice different, that's why. But yeah, if you want to see what I got this month, just keep on watching. This is what the postcard looks like this month, and the theme is wildflower. So let's dig into it. First thing I see is this Almar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set. So it says this is made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application on your lash lines, and this retails for $18. And these are what the three look like right there. Now I don't know if you remember seeing back in June, I don't think I did an Ipsy box, but I mean a Boxycharm box, but in June in our Boxycharm we got an eyeshadow palette, and it's from that same brand, and these are the same, from the same, yeah, cosmetic brand. Next up is this Butter London Glazing Lustrous Liner. So it's a liquid liner. It says define and shine with Glazing Lustrous Liner, a soft metallic longwear liquid liner that glides on with effortless precision. Crafted with a liquid luster complex, with this weightless liner contains radiant sparkle to enhance eyes with a super fine shine, and it retails for $19. So let's see what it looks like. So it has that type of tip right there. Oh, I see. I thought it was just a black liner, but I guess it's black or really dark blue, but I think it's black. And it has a little bit of, it has sparkle in there. I don't know if you can really tell, but there's sparkles in the black, so it's pretty. That's something cool. I've never seen that in a liquid eyeliner, or that I have owned anything like this, so that's interesting. Next up is this Hank and Harry liquid lipstick. When I first saw it, I thought it was a lipstick, because like if you can tell in the shape in there, it looks like a lipstick, and I thought I was trying to pull off this, but it wouldn't come out, so I'm like, what the heck. And then I looked at it, and it was actually a liquid lipstick. So this says have your cake and wear it too. This frosting scented long wear liquid lipstick glides on smoothly, while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. It's highly pigmented and dries to your stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries your lips and never transfers. And this retails for $17. So I'm gonna try it real quick since I don't have nothing on my lips. So this is what it looks like. I really like it actually, and it smells so good. It smells real pretty. It has that little like owl logo. It's cute. And this is the shade Petal Pusher, and it's not completely dry yet, but I mean I just put it on, and it doesn't feel heavy or like drying either. Like some matte lipsticks are really dry. This one doesn't feel like that, and I didn't really have anything underneath. I usually put some lip balm or something on their matte liquid lipsticks, but this one I didn't, and it feels nice. So I'm really liking it. Next, they actually sent me a spoiler on this one, and this is the Laura Geller, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's a baked blush and brighten. So it's add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta towels and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. This smooth and long wearing formula is paraben free and infused with skin loving antioxidants, and it retails for $28. That's what it looks like right there. This is in the shade Tropical Hues and it has a little mirror in there, and let me see if I can swatch it. Well, that's what it looks like right there. And that's a little swatch of it, if you can tell. Real nice pink, like, I don't know, baby pink almost. It's real pretty, but I've never owned anything like this. I've seen stuff like this. This kind of reminds me of maybe Wet n Wild blush that I've seen before, but it's pretty. I like it. I'm gonna try this for sure soon, hopefully. Last but not least, this is the Pretty Vulgar Nightgale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. Looks like this, and it's big actually. It says made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. The nighttime or Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte shimmer and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxuriously smooth formula makes for easy blending and long wear, and it retails for $35. So that's what it looks like. It has a big mirror right here too, but that's what the eyeshadows itself look like. So nice custom design setup for the eyeshadows. It's pretty. I'm not gonna wear it today since I already have some on. Definitely seems like a more neutral palette, which is pretty cool because a lot of people like neutral colors. So I can't wait to try this out later on. So that was all I got this month in my Boxycharm, and a quick recap again. So I got the eyeshadow palette, $35. The Laura Geller blush, baked blush, that one was $28. The liquid lipstick was $17. The eyeshadow brush was $18. Eyeshadow brush set, and then the liquid liner was $19. So I didn't do the math, but as always, it always turns out over $100 value, and that is amazing because the box is only $21 itself. So if you're, I definitely recommend you to get this, and they're starting this new one that it's only going to be seasonal. So like between months, supposedly this month was supposed to be the first one that people get their Boxy Luxe, it's called. So that's what it's called, Boxy Luxe box. So it's only seasonal, and so pretty much every 3-4 months you'll be getting an even bigger box. So you won't be getting the regular box, you'll be getting a big box with like 11 or 12 products, full-size products, and they're all like high-end products, kind of like what we get now. And it is gonna cost about, well, they'll charge you $21 and then plus an extra $29, maybe $28.99 or $29.99. I think it's $28.99 extra dollars for that month whenever you're gonna get the Boxy Luxe, or the month before. So I kind of want to try that and see what they have and stuff. Kind of excited actually, because I got it, but I was too late to get it this month, so I'm on the wait list for December. So yeah, it's gonna be a little while, but I'm kind of excited to see what they have in there. Supposedly it's gonna be more like lifestyle, also I mean beauty related and lifestyle items, so I'm excited to see what they bring. It kind of reminds me of the FabFitFun, and I've been wanting to try that, but I just haven't yet. But yeah, I think hopefully Boxy Luxe is similar to it, so I don't have to spend money on 2 subscriptions. But yeah, let's see, I'll definitely leave the link below if you want to subscribe. So to get the Boxyluxe, you gotta be a member first of the regular subscription, so I'll leave the link for the regular subscription down below. And this one's a monthly one. The regular Boxycharm is monthly, $21, but you always get way more than the $21 worth. And then the other one is seasonal, so it's every 3 to 4 months, and it costs about probably $50. So probably about the same price if you were to get a FabFitFun or any other seasonal box. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.